Hello everyone, you're tuned into DroidCrunch with me, Lokesh Kapoor. Today we're diving into Detect.ai. Detect.ai is an impressive tool that identifies AI written content and makes it more human-like so you can improve your rankings. It uses a cutting-edge proprietary algorithm to instantly spot AI generated words, transforming them into content that's more relatable, helping you establish authority in your content and rankings. This tool is super user-friendly and delivers smart results quickly. As you scroll through the homepage, you'll notice that millions of documents have been generated or analyzed with Detect. It has humanized around 850,000 to 1 million texts. The success rate is fantastic, boasting a 98.5% passing rate, and currently there are about 70,000 active users benefiting from Detect.ai. Detect.ai is trusted by numerous renowned brands for its exceptional capabilities. The software boasts several features. It detects AI-written content and provides intelligent results along with graphs showing the proportions of AI versus human content. These graphs offer valuable insights into the efforts needed to create authentic content. This can help you scale and publish effectively. Let's go ahead and check out the dashboard to see it in action. Here I am on my dashboard. For those using a free account, there are some limitations. You can check these limits directly on your dashboard. There are three main options available: Detect, Humanize, and Generate. The Generate feature produces unique human-like content after processing, ready for use. You don't need to depend solely on AI-written content like that from ChatGPT or other AI software. Detect.ai uses this content, humanizes it, and provides you with a rewritten output. Then there is the Humanize feature. The Humanize function not only detects AI content but also enhances it, giving you refined output. If you want to verify whether your writer's submission includes AI-generated words, you can use the Detect option to see how much AI content is present. For fully humanizing your content, leverage the Humanize feature. It offers options like ChatGPT, Claude, Human, or AI plus Human to provide inputs for testing. I've selected a text sample within my limits for this demonstration. I used 200 words for this example. By clicking the button below, the tool begins processing. Let's check back after it completes its task. The software is fine-tuning everything, making the content sound more natural. Now, you can view the original alongside the humanized content. By toggling the highlights, you can see the specific changes made. We've got two different outputs now. The changes might not be dramatic, but adjustments are made depending on content size. You can easily copy the humanized text or download it in formats like PDF, Doc, DocX, or TXT. It's straightforward to use and results in publish-ready content that garners positive responses and approval from Google. That's essentially how it works. Detect.ai offers additional features that are equally impressive. By clicking on this button, you can review all your history and humanize content. Although the free plan has feature limitations, it's important to check the pricing for full access. When I click on Billing and select a plan, you'll see my free plan history is limited to 70 results. To store more history, you can upgrade to a premium plan offering unlimited history, more words per month, and advanced AI features. The transition from basic to advanced comes with consistent customer support. For extensive content humanization needs, especially for agencies or content teams, the premium plan is worthwhile. Trying the free plan initially can give you a sense of its efficacy. If Detect.ai is meeting your needs, upgrading to a premium plan is advisable. In 2025, regularly checking for AI-written content is crucial for publication purposes to ensure top rankings. Otherwise, failing to rank could lead to frustration. A strategic approach is vital, and Detect.ai proves invaluable. I hope you found this video informative. Check the description for a direct link to join. It's an affiliate link, but you won't incur extra costs. Supporting this channel helps us keep running. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.